Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to sell t-shirts online for profit. So first things first, you have to set up your account. You can use Canva, Printify, and e-commerce platform like Etsy, Shopify. This time we're going to use Shopify. Now go to Canva and then start designing your niche. For example, t-shirt. You can just basically select from any of the designs right here. Just type your specific keyword or any keyword, or you can start from scratch. So you can just select from any of the designs here inside Canva, and then you can replace the element or object. There are tons of photos or graphics in the element section. You just have to simply type the keyword right here, press enter or search, and then you can just drag that graphic or element to this page or to this white page right here. And then you can delete anything, you can add, you can edit, you can change the color if you want to. So basically, I'm going to just give you a sample design and also a simple design. I know that you can do better than this. So I'm going to increase this one. I can also look for other designs if I want to. I'm going to add my statement shirt right here. So professional overthinker, I can now change the font style, font size, and also the color, the background color. So everything is up to you. I know that you can do better than this. Now this time, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to share this. So I'm going to tap on share and then make sure this one is PNG. Now, after designing your shirt in Canva, you can now upload this to Printify. So log into your Printify, and then here you can create or add, select a catalog first, and then start designing. Upload the shirt, the design that you have created using Canva. Again, you can also do mockups here. After that, upload and then position it correctly on the shirt preview, save your design. You can now set pricing and profit right here. Now, after that, you can now connect this to your store. So this time I'm going to paste the online store right here, Shopify online store. I'm going to paste it right here, wait for a couple of seconds, install this Printify to my Shopify, and here it is. So basically that's it. Printify auto syncs products, so when someone buys, Printify prints and ships directly to the customer. You never touch inventory. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.